We're also being joined by Ashwini Dubey at the moment, who's a political analyst and an advocate of the Supreme Court, who has, so far been, wanting a fair investigation into this particular case, as we have all. But Ashwini Dubey, if I can just ask you, the actor Rhea Chakrabarti has been arrested. The Narcotics Control Bureau has said that she bought and consumed drugs. She's confessed to that. But, how does this link up with the ED and CBI probe, one probing, into the death of the actor, one probing into money laundering allegations? Put it all in perspective for our viewers.
There are three angles. One angle is that Narcotics Control Bureau is investigating these dirty secrets of Bollywood's drug angle. So the FIR registered on August 26 by the Narcotics Control Bureau was under section 20, 22, 27 and 29 of the NDPS Act, in which the Rhea Chakrabarti, her brother Shouvik Chakrabarti and Jaya Shah, Sushant Singh Rajput's manager Shruti Modi and Gaurav Arya were named in the FIR. So as this case is concerned, if you see the section 20, 21, 27 and 29 deals with different kind of ingredients. One, the section 20 says when this quantity is more than 20 grams, then the punishment would be around 6 months and lesser than 6 months. If section 22 is applied here, then in section 22, the punishment is 6 to 20 years and 27 is for the consumption, where the 6 months to 10,000. But so far as the 29 is concerned, that 29, the punishment applies in accordance with the other offense committed, that is the provided in the Indian Penal Code. Here, three angles are being investigated. One angle, the money laundering angle, because if we see the enforcement directorate is investigating this illegal transaction, credit card misuse, WhatsApp chat with drug media, destroying hard drives, CCTV footage and other angles. So far as the CBI is concerned, CBI is investigating whether it is an abetment of suicide and whether it is a murder. Because if it is established that the banned
no concrete headway so far as the ED or the CBI probe is concerned. The Narcotics Control Bureau, however, have in fact said that the actor has confessed herself. She's told the NCB during this investigation that has gone on for the last 3 days that she smoked marijuana and she even bought and consumed these drugs. And she said she even brought them for the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. She said that she was in love with somebody who consumed drugs. So that's, of course, as far as the NCB investigation is concerned. But let me also open this up. We have Sanjay Gupta joining us. He's a Shiv Sena supporter. We have Asif Bhamla, spokesperson of the BJP, and we have Saira Shah Halim, who is a writer and an activist, who are also with us on the broadcast. Thank you all very much for being here. Sanjay Gupta, if I can come to you, this is an entire. There are many angles to this particular story. And I was just reading, somewhere online right now, there are people who are saying that there's Y+ security being given to one actor and one is being arrested. Of course, the two things don't add up. But what's your first reaction to the fact that Rhea Chakrabarti has been arrested by the NCB?
देखिए, रिया चक्रवर्ती का जो अब अरेस्ट हुआ है वो नारकोटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट ड्रग एंगल पे किया है, मगर इन्वेस्टिगेशन तो इस चीज की है कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की हत्या हुई या उनको आत्महत्या के लिए उकसाया गया। इससे ऐसा तो कुछ भी साबित नहीं होता। ड्रग एंगल इज ए बिल्कुल सेपरेट एंगल। तो ठीक है, अब हर रोज और वैसे भी देखिए ड्रग एंगल एक अलग चीज है जो कि नारकोटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर में था और केंद्र सरकार के अंदर में आता है, होम मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर में आता है।
संजय जी, ये कहा जा रहा है कि मुंबई पुलिस ने तो इंक्वेस्ट प्रोसीडिंग्स ही करते रहे, FIR लॉन्च नहीं किया। आरोप ये भी है मुंबई पुलिस के खिलाफ कि उन्होंने एक्शन नहीं लिया रिया चक्रवर्ती के खिलाफ, जो उन्हें लेना चाहिए था।
नहीं, देखिए ऐसा है कि रिया चक्रवर्ती के खिलाफ वो अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन में किस तथ्य तक पहुंचे थे, ये बात तो मुंबई पुलिस जानती है या CBI आगे चल के बताएगी या माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय बताएगा। क्योंकि मुंबई पुलिस किसी निर्णय पे जब तक नहीं पहुंची थी, जब तक कोई भी इंक्वायरी अपने फाइनल निर्णय तक नहीं पहुंचती, तब तक उसकी बात को नहीं बताया जाता कि इंक्वायरी में क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ। तो मुंबई पुलिस की इंक्वायरी के ऊपर जो लोग अब इन बातों को नहीं जाते वो सवाल उठा सकते हैं। सवाल उठाना तो हर किसी का काम है, इसमें कोई दुराई नहीं।
आपने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात बोली है, लेट मी टेक दिस टू आसिफ भामला एज वेल, दैट हाउ डज दिस मेक एक्टर Rhea Chakrabarti a culprit or guilty of abetment to suicide or homicide in this particular case, all it makes her is guilty of procuring, purchasing and consuming drugs. The two things are very different. Asif Bhamla, do you want to respond to that?
Sure. Of course, now the drug angle has been unveiled under Section 22, 20, 27, 29 under the NDPS Act. That is one aspect of it. But let me also highlight you now that there is custodial, arrest that has been done. Things will open up, because from day one, if you see, right from the missing CCTV footage coverages to the torn pages of his diary to the discs that were missing from his room, so all these things pointed out towards Riya. And I can go into flashback when I saw this interview where she comes in like a very neat and clean woman and dumping all the charges against Sushant.
No, I mean, I don't know what you mean when you say neat and clean. I don't know what you mean when you say neat and clean, and I don't want to make any insinuations here.
But
the premise has to be that she's innocent until she's proven guilty. Even now, as my colleague Saurabh was just elaborating for us, there is an investigation that is currently underway. This remand, if it is sought, it's 7:30. Let me just clarify this. This remand, she's been arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau, but if a remand is sought, it is only to further the investigation. She's only going to be questioned further. An investigation is currently on. A case will then be filed. There will then be a hearing. There will be a trial in this case if it goes that far. And only once a judge pronounces her guilty on account of even purchase and possession of drugs will she actually be guilty. So let's just set that let's just set that very clear at the outset.
No one ever imagined that this would be the stage in which we would reach as far as Riya's murder is concerned. But we have reached today to a stage where she has been arrested for the narcotic angle by the NCB.
Yes, but once again, there are questions of how this actually links up to the death of the actor.
I am sure things will unveil. It will unwrap.
I'm sure things will unveil as well, but until and unless they don't unveil, we can't be making presumptions.
When Sushant died, it was a done and a shut case. Nobody ever imagined that we would be debating.
Well, absolutely, and let's have faith. Let's have full faith. Let's have full faith in the law, and hope that the three agencies who are carrying out an investigation actually reach a conclusion.
And the wrong should be punished. That's it.
Absolutely, the guilty should be punished. Saira Shah Halim, do you want to step in here? This entire narrative of she appeared neat and clean on interviews, but look at this. She's been arrested by the NCB. Okay, we've lost that line with Saira Shah Halim. We're going to try and go back to her. But Sanjay Gupta, do you want to respond to some of what Asif Bhamla has just said?
आसिफ बामला जी तो अब पता नहीं किस तरह से किसी बात को, अब इनका तो देखिए जो मेन चीज है वो ये है कि रिया चक्रवर्ती सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की आत्महत्या करने में, उकसाने में या उनकी हत्या करवाने में इन्वॉल्व है या नहीं है। ड्रग एंगल से किसी भी तरह से ये साबित नहीं होता। और ये तो अब ठीक है, ड्रग्स के विषय में जो भी कुछ ये हो रहा है ठीक है। अब हमें तो कई बार ये भी समझ में नहीं आता कि कनाडा से 3.5 करोड़ रुपए की ड्रग्स जो है वो जिस टाइम में मुंबई के अंदर मतलब सीबीआई भी अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है, ईडी भी अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है, ड्रग्स नार्कोटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट भी अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहा है, और कोई व्यक्ति कनाडा से 3.5 करोड़ की ड्रग लेकर के मुंबई में आ गया और वो पकड़ा जाता है और उसकी 10 सेकंड की वीडियो भी लीक हो जाती है कि ये देखो कहाँ है, उस शख्स को तो दिखाया नहीं। हम तो जानना चाहेंगे उस शख्स का नाम भी कि कौन है वो शख्स जो 3.5 करोड़ रुपए की ड्रग्स लेके आ रहा था, उसका चेहरा भी दिखाया जाए, क्योंकि कनाडा से अगर आया है तो कनाडा से आया तो उसका बकायदा।
आप कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं संजय गुप्ता जी, आपका पॉइंट क्या है?
देखिए, मैं जो कहना चाह रहा हूँ वो आप समझ रही हैं, लेकिन बहुत से शब्दों को बड़े सोच समझ के कहना पड़ता है। इसलिए मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि मतलब इस टाइम के अंदर कोई ड्रग्स लेके आया 3.5 करोड़ रुपए की और आकर के उसको ईडी पकड़ भी लेता है 1 मिनट के अंदर, नार्कोटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट, और वो ये भी बयान दे देते हैं कि हाँ ये तो शोभित चक्रवर्ती से और इनसे इनका क्या कहते हैं।
नहीं तो आप क्या कह रहे हैं कि क्या रिया चक्रवर्ती और उनकी फैमिली को फ्रेम किया जा रहा है, क्या ये कह रहे हैं आप?
देखिए, कुछ भी हो सकता है। इसके विषय में मैं ये नहीं कहना चाहता, लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि
Ashwini Dubey, do you want to respond to that? Sanjay Gupta
Yes.
saying anything is possible. There are many theories, many many things that have been said and done, but actually until and unless something is proven in a court of law, one can't really know what's happening.
I completely agree with you. There are, as a lawyer, I understand that each criminal case has 3 stages. One stage, the prima facie case, when it is being investigated. At that time, nobody is guilty and everybody is under as a suspect, and police investigate and investigate. So the first stage with the Riya Chakravarti. So nobody should be declared guilty or convict unless and until the court of law, after leading the evidence, reaches to the conclusion that somebody is guilty. So it will be very early to say that the Riya is guilty. One. Now coming to the second aspect of the case. Second aspect comes when the investigator, after investigation, submits the inquiry report, which we call the final report, in the court. Then the court, on the basis of those evidences, frame the charges. That is then the second stage.
How does this make her guilty of the actor's death? I mean, Ashwini Dubey, you're a lawyer, you're an advocate, you understand the law of the land, you understand the legal intricacies of the case much better than I do, or for that matter, than what our viewers do. So explain to us. Actor Riya Chakrabarti being arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau for purchase, possession, consumption of drugs, even if she bought drugs and gave it to actor Sushant Singh Rajput, all of that within the ambit of the investigation, fine. How does this link up to the actor's death? How does it make her guilty in that case?
So that's what I'm saying. Say, when the charge is framed, that's also not considered, somebody is not considered, the accused is not considered guilty. Guilty is only when the trial takes place in court of law, declares somebody convict. Here there are 3 stages of the case. One stage, whether the Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide, abetment of suicide.
No, I understand that. I'm asking you, how does the arrest link up to that? How does her arrest for the purchase and procurement and consumption of drugs link up to the actor's death? Explain to our viewers.
Whether the banned drugs, the prohibited drugs, which was not permissible, was being given to Sushant Singh Rajput or at the instance
Saira
of...
Shah Halim, how do you respond to this drugs being given to Sushant Singh Rajput theory?
See, what I would say is that, okay, an arrest has been made and, the narcotics department should do their job. Investigation should happen to unearth this whole drugs racket.
Yes.
Okay? Now, the thing is, I feel she purchased it for her personal consumption, which is again illegal.
Yes.
Because any purchase...
And that is being probed at the moment. Yes.
That is being probed. But
Right.
there is no linkage with the procurement of the drug on any alleged murder. Okay, that is a separate investigation that is going on.
Yes.
Whether he died by suicide or whether he died by any other,
Right.
unnatural form of death.
Yes.
So let us not link the two, because it's been very clear that there was no 15 crores as it was alleged by another media channel.
Well,
that
no
there
headway
was a
really. As far as the
exchange
ED
of
and the
money
CBI is
and things
concerned,
like
there's no known headway because they haven't been able to proceed, to arrest her like the Narcotics Control Bureau has. Asif Bamla, do you agree with Saira Shah Halim? Let's separate these things and let's not try and draw linkages where they perhaps don't exist or at least haven't been unearthed just yet.
I'm hearing from the other two, friends of mine that, and they're saying this so lightly that as though consuming drugs or giving drugs is like very normal and it's like very natural. And
No,
it's
but
like
how
every
is it
second
normal?
person
She's
doing
been
that.
arrested.
I mean, that's
It's
what I'm
not
saying.
normal. It's a punishable offence and she will have to be punished if she's found guilty.
It's a hugely punishable offence, and giving drugs without knowledge in itself is a criminal activity. And not only this, the drugs that have been taken have been given to Sushant. It has there are various ramifications to that. It was given in the form of medicine to him. It was given it at the worst time, and not only this, I mean, she was giving him all the while, and even when he went to his family, and if those drugs that were given him, if at all were given in the interest of his health, she would have informed the family. But no, she knew she was playing the act of drug, and she was giving.
But what's the evidence of that? No, that's the question. That's why I asked Saira Shah Halim as well. This theory.
There are so many theories that have come now.
Yeah, they're
of course,
theories.
now
Let's
some-
call them theories.
I'm not
Asif
saying
Bamla,
that. I'm
let's
not-
call a
I
theory
said
a theory.
Crime is not.
I
is
urge
not
you-
a crime
I
still
urge
proved,
you-
But still, this is a
Look,
theory. So we
there are
all
multiple
talking about
theories. There are multiple theories that are talked about, that are written off, that play out in various TV channels with a lot of pontificating around them. But let's call a theory until and unless it has been
I
proven in
don't
a court
deny
of law.
that. I don't
And
deny
you're
that, but
absolutely
please
right.
accept the fact
And you're
that
absolutely
the
right that if
consumption
she
of
is
drugs-
guilty, if she is guilty of procuring, purchasing, consumption of any illegal substance, then she ought to be punished according to the law. But how
According
does
to the
this
law.
arrest indicate that she forcefully gave somebody else the drugs, or that she was giving
You see, the
the late
question mark-
actor drugs? That's my question to you. Isn't that just drawing conclusions, because there's no evidence of that just yet? That's my question.
Obviously, the question mark is whether it's a suicide or a homicide that's being argued and argumented throughout the
Okay.